Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your currency from dollars to reals on Airbnb. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to direct your attention to the bottom of your screen where you'll see several navigation options. Go ahead and tap on Profile. This will take you to your personal Airbnb profile page where you can access all your account-related settings and preferences. Once you're on your profile page, look for the option that says Account Settings and tap on it. This section contains all the important settings for managing your Airbnb account, including your payment preferences, notification settings, and other personalized features that control how you interact with the platform. Next, you'll see a list of different settings options. Navigate to the one labeled Payments and tap on it. This is where Airbnb stores all your payment-related information, including your currency preferences, payment methods, and transaction history. It's the central hub for managing how you pay for bookings and how you receive payments if you're a host. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice your current currency displayed there, which should show USD. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open up a list of all the available currencies that Airbnb supports, giving you the flexibility to view prices and make payments in your preferred currency. From the list that appears, scroll through until you find Brazilian Real. Once you locate it, tap on it to select it as your new currency. This change will update how prices are displayed throughout the app, making it easier for you to understand costs in your local currency and budget accordingly for your trips. And that's it. You've successfully changed your currency from dollars to Brazilian reals on Airbnb, and now all prices will be displayed in your preferred currency. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.